So this is homework 6, question 6, and it gives us this curve with the equation y equals 1 over x plus 1, and part A asks us to find the coordinates of the point A where the curve crosses the x-axis. So we know that on the x-axis the y coordinate is equal to 0, which means that 0 is equal to 1 over x plus 1. So 1 over x must be equal to minus 1, which means x must also be equal to minus 1. So the coordinates of A are minus 1, 0. And then part B asks us to sketch the curve y equals x squared multiplied by x minus 2. Now this is a cubic, and if I multiply my x terms together I get a plus x cubed. So it's a positive cubic term. So my curve is going to go up, come back down, and then go back up again. If it was a negative cubic term, it would go the other way around. So x minus 2 here tells me that my curve is going to cross at the x-axis. And if you think of this as being x minus 0, that tells me it's going to hit the x-axis at 0 and then bounce back off again, because this is a repeated factor. So when I come to draw this graph, it's going to look something like this. It's going to go up to the x-axis, hit at 0, bounce back down, and then head off back up. And this coordinate here is 2. And then finally part C. Part C asks us to explain why x squared x minus 2 equals 1 over x plus 1 has only 2 real solutions. Now, we do this by looking at the curve. We've effectively got a pair of simultaneous equations here that we're trying to solve. So we're looking for points of intersection, and from your curve you can see that there are 2 points of intersection. So 2 points of intersection implies that there are 2 real solutions. And just to be on the safe side, I would show the examiner where they are. So there's 1 point of intersection, there's 2 points of intersection.